Hey there! Ever find yourself wondering why your bank account looks so sad, even though you've got a decent job? Well, my friend, you might be a victim of lifestyle inflation, but don't worry. I'm here with some fun tips to help you put a stop to it. First up, let's talk about coffee. Yeah, I know, it's a classic example, but hear me out. Instead of dropping $5 every morning on a fancy latte, why not make your own at home? You can get fancy with it. Buy a frother, experiment with flavors, become your own barista. Your wallet and maybe even your waistline will thank you. Next, let's tackle the subscription monster. You know what I mean. Netflix, Spotify, Disney+, Hulu, the list goes on. Do you really need all of them? Pick one or two that you actually use and cut the rest. Trust me, you won't even miss them. Now let's talk about that gym membership. If you're not going at least 3 times a week, cut it out. You can find a ton of free workout videos on YouTube. Or even better, go outside. Nature is the best gym there is. Plus, it's free. Alright, on to dining out. Look, I love a good restaurant as much as the next person, but eating out all the time? That adds up fast. Try cooking at home. And I don't mean just throwing a frozen pizza in the oven. Try new recipes. Make it an event. Invite friends over for a potluck. Have a themed dinner night. It's cheaper and way more fun. Now let's talk about clothes. Fashion is awesome, but it's easy to get carried away. Instead of buying new clothes all the time, try mixing and matching what you already have. Get creative. Or even better, organize a clothing swap with friends. New-to-you clothes without spending a dime. Win-win. Finally, let's chat about impulse purchases. We've all been there. You see something shiny and suddenly you need it. But do you really? Try this. Before buying, wait 24 hours. If you still want it after a day, go for it. But chances are you'll realize you didn't really need it. So, there you have it. Some fun and easy ways to stop lifestyle inflation in its tracks. Remember, saving money doesn't have to be boring. It's all about making smarter choices and enjoying what you have. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Catch you next time.